Hey YouTube, it's your girl Sonja and I am back with another video. This video is going to be a booty pop dress haul. Okay, I'm going to be showing you dresses that make your booty pop. I'm gonna tell you where I got these dresses from so you can go purchase them yourself. Be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button. When you click that subscribe button, also click the bell. Let's get into it, because y'all know I be talking too much in these intros.
Shorty wanna, shorty wanna, shorty wanna, shorty wanna.
I'm basically gonna go through the dresses that I got from each store. So I got this dress from Boohoo in a size, I think this is actually a size 1 because the dress like stretches and I had it for a long time, so it still fits. But anyway, this is the dress. It goes all the way down, like it's really long, and it's fitted throughout. So when you're thinking about what type of dresses to make the booty pop, you want to make sure that it's like fitted dresses and that it's like long fitted dresses. And yeah, let's go to the next. This is the next dress. I really love this dress. This is actually a size 2 or 4. I'll leave it up on the screen, but I like this dress because I like the color. It's kind of like this red like wine color, and it is just so cute. When you're buying these dresses, you might want to size down because they're like super stretchy, and girl, they're so stretchy you don't need to buy your regular size. So just keep that in mind. But look at this dress, like this red is so cute. But it's just like the first dress, so I'm not gonna spend a whole lot of time talking about it. Just another example. I like this one because it's more stretchy and like it's a lot more stretchy than the gray one. Like the material is even like the gray one is more thicker. It kind of feels like boxy, if that makes sense. Okay, this is the next dress. Before I get into this dress, I just want to tell you guys, the last dress that you saw I also got from Boohoo. Okay, so this is the last dress that I'm gonna show you guys that I got from Boohoo, and it's probably my favorite out of all of them. This one has like spaghetti straps, okay, and it's more of a midi dress, so it stops like right below my knee, a little bit lower than my knee, and those go all the way down to my ankle. I like this dress because it's a lot more like fitted than those, and it really makes your shape look like a Coca-Cola bottle, and I really like that. It is Booty Pop official. Let's keep it moving. This is the next dress I'm gonna show you guys. It got like this big old cut right here, so it's a little like, you know, it's showing a lot. But I think this is actually an extra small, but like I said, dresses like these stretch, so if you're like worried about the size, you can literally size down because dresses like these stretch really well. But I got this dress from Windsor, and I probably wouldn't wear a bra like this with it, but I don't feel like finding the right bra right now. I love dresses that have like materials like this because I don't know, they just always fit the shape like really well. It is a little short on me, but it goes down like longer right here. It's kind of just the style. So Windsor be having those dresses. I'm trying to put y'all on, period. Next, so this dress I got from Ross, and Ross is actually a decent store, but like people be sleeping on it. Don't be that person that be sleeping on it. Like you could find some nice things if you really look. So this dress is really cute. It has splits right here. If you've seen my how to style a denim jacket video, you probably already seen this dress, so just, you know, you can skip this part if you want. But yeah, this is the dress, and it's just so cute. Next is this dress that I got from Ross also, and this dress is actually like short. It's shorter than the other ones. It's fitted, okay, it's super fitted, super cute, and this is how it's looking. So I just realized like this dress is also a little bit see-through. So just keep in mind that all the dresses that make your booty pop is most likely gonna be see-through. So you wanna be careful on what type of underwear you're wearing. I usually wear black underwear with any dress like that, but sometimes they're even still see-through, like you can see the black underwear. So it's really just up to you and like your preference. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope that you guys now know where you can get some cute dresses that'll make your booty pop. And be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button. I love you guys so much. Yeah, sorry about my makeup in this video. It's like hella horrible. I don't even want to get into it, you feel me? It's whatever, I don't care. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and as always, I love you guys so much. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell so you know when I post again. And it's a mosquito in my room, but it pissed me off. We finna fight. Okay, I'm about to fight this mosquito. Alright guys, bye.
Picture me chiefing some exotic chronic in Cali. Rihanna right beside me in my 2019 Ferrari. Top down, speakers louder than the marching band. Shades on, got me feeling cooler than a fan. And now my music is everywhere.